Hi guys, I know I'm being like crazy random with these videos. Sorry. Yeah, I'm being crazy random, but I'm in a random time in my life. I'm not in like a organized, let me put together, videos in an organized fashion. Like that's not where this evil bunny is at in her life. But I wanted to talk a little bit about night terrors and sleep paralysis. And I've had trouble with my sleep for years, like literally for years, since I was a kid, obviously. A lot of it was actually connected to my religion and being really afraid of like the rapture, which I still have issues with now. But one thing that I had noticed within the past few months is that I was having a lot of, um, what do you call it? Sleep paralysis. So if you know about sleep paralysis, it's basically the sensation, well, when you go to sleep at night, your body shuts down. So everything shuts down so that you're not moving about and you can go into a deep run sleep and, recover your muscles and get ready for the next day to relax, right? So with the exception of people that sleepwalk, you do not move in your sleep. So sleep paralysis is when your mind has woken up, like waking up, but the rest of your body is still in a sleep state. So the message to move hasn't gone to the muscles in your body yet, which can be very frightening, like seriously frightening, because literally you're awake, but you can't move, so you feel like you're glued to the bed. Um, Something else that usually accompanies sleep paralysis is the sensation or the feeling that someone is watching you or someone is at the end of your bed. And there have been many books and movies like made with that premise. Um, and so I had been experiencing that, and I literally felt like someone was at the end of my bed trying to kill me, but I couldn't move, right? Um, and I had looked it up and did a little research, and you can actually effectively stop sleep paralysis by sleeping on your side. I can't remember the exact reasoning for it, but yeah, so if you want to stop your sleep paralysis, sleep on your side, either the right or left side. Um, for purposes of like my stomach, if you sleep on your left side, it's actually a little better. Then you can get a nice bowel movement in the morning. That's a whole other issue, but take my word on it. So yeah, stop sleep paralysis by sleeping on your left or right side, or even on your stomach. Just sleeping on your back, directly on your back, will induce sleep paralysis if you're prone to it. Try that out and let me know how that goes for you. I had night terrors a couple of days ago, and if you see this, this is actually scratches I did because unfortunately I did sleep on my back. After months of not sleeping on my back, I just got lax with it. And because my body kind of like from my chest down, I couldn't move, but my hands were kind of like I could move my hands. So I could feel it, like I was scratching kind of like like think, and like how is that even gonna help me if someone's trying to kill me? What is scratching my neck gonna do? But it was just a stress response in my sleep, mind you. And I knew I had done that, and I woke up in the middle of the night, and um my neck hurt so bad. But I was like, let me just clean it in the morning. So now I'm having to deal with the scar. It'll get better. I cleaned it and I put some Bactrin on it. Um, the only thing is with scars is that as it's healing, it tends to itch, but the itch is like literally underneath the skin, like it's underneath the scar, so you don't want to like scratch it because it's healing. Which usually comes from it being dry. So keeping it actually lubricated with Vaseline after you clean it, like with hydrogen peroxide or Bactrin or Neosporin or something, will actually help subside the itch that comes from healing your scars. So that's just me popping in, telling you, giving you some random advice about getting rid of sleep paralysis. And I hope that that was helpful for you. And I'm gonna be uploading more random videos because I'm in a random place in my life. So here we are. Talk to you guys. Talk to you bunnies later. Bye.